My main concern on the pain I was having was my lifestyle came to a halt. I was having shoulder pain, but my neck was radiating down on my shoulder. What led me to Dr. Moore was being referred to by a doctor, which is also a friend. So I really trusted his opinion to make sure I got the best surgeon available.
So the surgery that we performed on him was a 2-level artificial disc replacement. Most patients that have a good indication, which would be radiculopathy, pain shooting down the arm from a nerve impingement at the neck, are a good candidate for an anterior cervical disc removal. And then whether or not you're going to do a disc replacement or a fusion is determined on mobility of the spine and its alignment. If you can do the disc replacement, most patients do very, very well after surgery.
After the surgery, sore from the surgery in the neck, but the pain that I had, I knew right then it was gone.
In terms of recovery time, disc replacements generally are faster. Typically, we want you moving your neck, and so you don't have to wear any sort of restrictive device. And then after about 6 weeks of restricted lifting, so no more than 40 pounds for my patients, you have free range. You can do whatever you like in terms of sports, outdoor activity.
I've been mountain biking since then. I went and hit some golf balls for my first time. Did not have any issues with the neck, so I'm going to start golfing regularly now and mountain biking regularly. So I am back to doing everything I did a year ago. And I would recommend Dr. Moore to anybody that might need surgery. He has my confidence, and I am telling my personal friends if they have a problem to see him.